Welcome back, learners. In this video, I'm going to show you how to TikTok live stream in 2020. And I'm going to show you a cool little hack that'll help you live stream with TikTok even if you don't have 1,000 followers. If you decide that you take value from this video, please give it a thumbs up and smash subscribe for more videos like it. Go ahead and open up TikTok, make sure that you're logged in, and likely you will be on the Home tab. To make your video, just go to the plus sign down at the bottom center of the screen, click on the plus icon, and it will bring you to a camera what looks just like this. Next to that red dot down at the bottom center, you're going to see an option that says Go Live. If you don't see it, likely it's because you do not yet have 1,000 followers. So here's one little hack I have for you. From the Home tab, go all the way to the bottom right where it says Me. That's your profile icon, and open that up. It's going to bring you to a page that looks similar to this. Go to the top right-hand corner of this page and click on those three vertical black dots. That's going to open up your settings and privacy page where you want to scroll down to the third section labeled Support. Underneath Support, it's going to say Report a Problem. Click on Report a Problem. Here it's going to ask you to describe your problem. You want to scroll almost all the way down to the bottom where it says Live/Payment/Rewards. Click on Live Payment Rewards. Next, you're going to click on Hosting Live. And then you're going to want to click on I can't start a live. It's going to give you some details and then ask you if your problem is resolved. Answer no, and then click Still Have a Problem. Here you're going to want to tell them a little bit about the problem. I wrote, I can't host a live. My viewers would like to see me. After you're done writing, click on the red button, Report. I've already submitted mine, so I'm not going to submit it again. After you submit report, they're going to get back to you within 24 to 48 hours and help you resolve the issue through a chat or an email, depending on what your contact information prefers. After that, the most cases, they will give you the ability to do live streaming with TikTok, even if you don't have 1,000 followers. Anyway, I hope you took some value from this video. Smash subscribe, give it a like, and check out my other cool tutorials I have on TikTok to help you master media quickly. Take care.